Hi everybody, this is just a quick video asking for some help if possible, if anyone to help, or if you know anyone helps, be nice. If you can help me let me know in the comments what I can do to help me. I've got everything set up properly. I've got it all set up for the, this way round. It's all set it up so that the extruder works no problems. If I press see your home button for X, home button for Y, home button for Z, right? If I press Z button, home button, it does this, goes up and down a bit and it hits home, no problems, yeah? If I hit Y, home button, it goes to the front and makes a back and forth noise, like that, no problems, yeah? What you're supposed to do. If I press the X one, this is where I have the problems. Watch this, watch, here it goes. Does that, right? No, not much of a problem, but if I press it again, see that slight delay? It's really weird, isn't it? I've never had that before. It's just, there's a slight delay there. And also, if I push it, see, I can push it further? How does that make sense to me? I push, it makes sense. But if I press, when it's on home, this won't go any further than that. See? It won't go any further than it is there because that's as far as it goes. Right? Now if I do it the same with it, when it's on home, you can move it. It just don't seem to make sense to me at all. I've got everything else set up, it just don't make sense. And if it did work, if you don't see my last video, this is what happens because the X axis is not working, so it just does partial of the cube. The Y works perfectly fine. Where is it? There's the Y, no problems there. The X axis is just weird. The Z, well, I'll get to that another time once I get this X axis working. It might just be the way I set it up, or it's too close to the table. But if anyone can help me, would be nice, or if anyone knows anyone else can help. Put a comment in the description, in the comments, and let me know. If you do come up with a solution, in my next video I'll show it working, hopefully, and I'll give you a little shout out. If you've got a YouTube video, a YouTube channel, I'll say give you a comment and give a link in the description as well. This is obviously the, I don't know if you noticed already, it's the Agostini 3D printer iBox. Other than that, it's working perfectly fine. That X-axis is my problem, obviously. Any comments would be good. Like button, share with friends. Hopefully they might help. See you soon. Bye. Hopefully bye.